Okay, so now that we have the right layout, we want to add the proper content. To add new content on your website, it's much easier than you think. Click on the top right menu and then click on Rows. Then click on Columns. We can see there's many of choices like headers, pricing table, restaurant menu, and much more. Let's select Restaurant Menu. All of these contents are pre-built, and the only thing you need to do is to drag and drop the one you like and drop it in the place you want. When you see this blue line and it's saying New Row on the left, it means now you can drop it in here. Awesome! That was easy. No need to stress yourself with designing new stuff. Just pick something we did for you. Now we can easily change the text or the price from the Menu Items tab. Then we click on Edit Item and do the things we want. Here you go. If you need to change the background, just click here to see the row settings and scroll down until the background section. From here, you can easily remove the existing one and add new background.